Entrepreneurs by their nature are dreamers, right? And it's all up here. It's all in your mind. And manufacturing really is just so deadly set in the doing it, the hands-on production of taking an idea and making it into reality. It seems like a natural fit, but there's a big disconnect from people with ideas from outside the industry to the people that could actually help those ideas come into reality. That's why I really like this theme for this year, is Dreamers and Doers Connect. So that's kind of as we see it, is those physical product entrepreneurs and the people that can actually make it happen, and putting our two constituencies together. We're here with Red Blue Collective.
So we're going to host a entrepreneur meetup at IMTS this year. So the Red Blue Collective helps entrepreneurs and small businesses who are making physical products connect all of the dots. Then you can break down those barriers, you can avoid common mistakes, you can lower your risk and increase the success of your product.
And then we're partnering with other organizations, say like an emerging startup, and putting them into the right program where they can get the coaching that they need to validate their idea. Red Blue Collective can come and say, here's your go-to-market strategy, here's the resources, here's your gap, this is who you need on the team, here's how you can do the marketing, here's the resources for manufacturing.
I think of a doer that's so involved in their company that and what they're doing that they don't have time, or they don't see the need to go to the show, right? So they're not really dreaming. You got to get outside of your comfort zone. It allows you to see what other people are doing, and that will create the dream, right?
Talking to your peers can really add huge value.
When makers meet manufacturers, big things happen. Make your connections where dreamers and doers connect.